Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado, stock number 5904. This ran from the 10th 2013 to the 12th 2020. It has a 2.8 litre diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre diesel turbo engine. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory mag wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory steel mag wheel. Right rear door, no dents. Right front mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. And here we have the instrument cluster.